Hi friends, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I came up with a different scenario. How to calculate previous day's sales, how to calculate YTD, previous day sales YTD, we are going to see in today's video. So please try to watch all my previous videos so that you will get more understanding in Power BI and all. Now let's go to the Power BI desktop. There we can understand the today's video demo. So for timing, already I have designed the report. So I'll try to explain what are the steps I have followed to create this report and all. So before getting into details of the report, so let me explain what are the tables I have imported from the Excel. So for designing this report and all. Okay. So customer table, geography, product, sales territory, dim date, category, subcategory, fact, internet sales. So these are the tables I have imported from the Excel, and also we'll try to understand what kind of relationship we have established between the dimension tables and fact tables. We'll try to look into that one also. Okay, for that go to model. So just collapse these two, try to scroll down a little bit. So already I have designed established the relationship between the dimension tables and fact tables. For example, if you place the mouse, you can see that so based on this color key column, I have established the relationship between the fact table and dimension tables. So even you can notice that the direction of the relationship is like one direction to many direction. It means that the filter propagation flowing from the dimension table to the fact table. Even you can enable the cross filter direction, both it's up to the requirement, but for timing I have designed only for the single direction only. Okay, so like that I have established the relationship for the other dimension and fact tables also. Okay, now we'll try to focus on today's report. Go to report. So now you can see that excuse me, already so I have designed the report. So here what I am doing here, so this is the table visual. Based on each day wise I have the sales. For example, in July 1st what is the sales, in July 2nd what is the sales, in July 3rd what is the sales. So each day wise I have the sales. Even if you notice that some of the days we don't have any sales. For example, in 12th July we don't have sales, so 18th July we don't have sales. So for this sales I want to see the previous day sales. For example, in 2000 July 1st we don't have any previous because days sales starting from this date onwards only. When it comes to 2nd July, so for this what is the previous day sales, 1st July. So what is the 1st July sales, 21.90. When it comes to 3rd July, what is the previous day, 2nd July. So what is the sales, 31.83. So when it comes to 4th July, what is the previous day, 3rd July. So what is the sales, 9.90. Like that I have created a measure to get the previous day sales for each day wise. Okay, for example, when it comes to here, so 12th July, so what is the previous, 11th, 21.90. When it comes to here 13, we have blank because for 12th July we don't have any sales. That is the reason for the previous sale 13th it's getting blank. That's right only, correct, right? So like that, so I have created this measure, and also I have created two other measures, that is current YTD and previous YTD. So current YTD I am creating based on this sales, current sales. Each day wise I'm taking the current date. Okay, now you can see that, right? Current date, 12th July. So current day, but when it comes to previous day, based on this value I'm calculating. Based on this value I'm calculating previous YTD, right? 21.90 of the, if you combine 53, if you combine 63, so like that. So I have calculated the previous day sales YTD. Even you can dice the data. See, based on slicing, so it's automatically calculating previous day sales, previous YTD and right. So likewise we can create this report. And also I have created a separate page. So here I'm just taking the previous YTD, current YTD, so in a chart, so that easily you can understand which one is doing more, which one is not doing good. So even we have slicer, day slicer. So based on this slicing date range, so I'm taking those range into a card visual, so that easily we can understand from which day to which date we are seeing the current YTD, previous YTD sales. Okay, so I'll try to show what are the measures I have created to display all these and all. Now I'll go to the demo measures. So first one is current sales. Okay, so I'll try to make it little zoom so that you'll see. So based on calculate some x and all, I'm creating the current sales, and also what are the sales we are getting. I'm just validating like whether it is blank or not. If not blank, written this expression what are the variable I have declared here. So based on that it will execute. That is the current sales. So previous day sales, so by using data function I'm just taking the 1 day minus. Okay, so to the current day sales, like that we will get the previous day sales and also current YTD. Now you can see that current YTD I'm calculating based on the filter all selected. I'm taking the max date and finally written the entire overall date YTD, right? It's like we can call it as a running total for that, but I given the name like that. So even you can take the previous YTD also. So here I'm taking the previous day sales while calculating the previous YTD. I'm just calculating previous day sales, but here I'm taking the usually I'm calculating by using sales amount column in the fact internet sales. So even you can take the date range. Excuse me, already I've explained how to calculate the date range by using concatenate function and all. We can concatenate the what are the min date, max date, and finally we can take this into card visual, so that we can understand what are the date range. Excuse me, what are the date range. So we are getting into this. So like that I have designed the report and all. So that's all for today's video. I hope that you like this video. If you have any questions or queries, you can send me an email or drop your comments in the comment section, so that I'll try to reply as soon as possible. So please subscribe my channel. Stay tuned for other videos. Thank you so much for watching.